a bit, and then the New York session started. So the New York session has started at this point over here, and we can clearly see we have a high here that if price wants to come into our area of interest or point of interest, then we would count this as now liquidity and an imbalance that can be filled. So let's see what happens. Price pulls up, it's taken this high. A lot of people take this as a breaker structure, but because we know there is a supply area just above it with an imbalance, that this is more likely to be liquidity, and so the breaker structure shouldn't really count. And then if I just start to slowly go into it, we've tapped into this area. Now let's take a short from here. Let's put the stops just above. Let's just go like there, and let's aim for, let's say, a 1 to 5. So there we go, and let's see what price does. As we can see, price moves away, quite choppy. We do go into a bit of drawdown over here, but that's fine. So we're still moving down. It's quite a slow movement, not as impulsive as I'd like, to be fair. And at this point here, just because I'm the type of trader where I don't really want to be in a trade around 5 o'clock UK time, I would actually take positions off here, go break even, etc, etc, just to protect myself, because I know that when there's less volume, price essentially is not really going to deliver me what I want. But let's see what happens in this case. Let's move this to the right a bit. As we can see, we get taken out for a 1 to 5, which is a nice trade. So as you can see, we've built our confidences around the New York session either giving us a reversal or a continuation. And as we can see, we get a nice continuation of this London move down over here. Obviously, price will retrace, and that is expected because we need a retracement for price to continue. Sessions play a vital part of our trading day, so it's very important that we understand these sessions and make use of them. If you have made it to the end, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video